Hi grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at making decisions for the community as well as delivering services to the community. So please follow along in your Google Slides and write down any of the bold words that you see in the proper blanks. Remember, you can pause and go back if you missed something or need to slow down with the video. When you are finished, you'll have a thinking it through question at the end. And once you've finished that, please submit your assignment. All right. So mayor, reeves, and councillors are elected to their jobs by the citizens of the community. They take part in council meetings at which time decisions about programs, services, and bylaws are made. The job of the mayor or reeve is to make sure the meetings are run according to the rules of the municipality. Councils usually organize committees that are responsible for services such as transportation, water and garbage services, parks and recreation. Councillors also serve on advisory committees that advise the council on local issues. Members of the public can apply to sit on advisory committees as well. So delivering services to the community. Many people are hired to work for local government. The most important employee of the local government is the town or city manager. The town or city manager is appointed by the council to do two things. The first is make sure that council decisions are carried out, and the second is to keep the council informed about how the municipality is operating. Civil servants are people who are hired to work in government departments. Many people are hired by departments to perform jobs like answering phones, keeping records, collecting garbage, teaching swimming lessons, driving buses, and repairing streets. So thinking it through, you're going to use page 112 to help you answer this question. So why do you think members of the public are invited to sit on advisory committees? So please read page 112 so that you understand the issue and then write your answer in complete sentences with detail. Once you're done, please submit it in the classroom.